Well, give me another ranking officer.
There is no ranking officer.
There's one above you, I guarantee you.
Not
Who pays your paycheck?
Really,
Not
don't
working
get
today.
upset.
There's nothing illegal about it. Done had checked out by state troopers.
I know you have video
There's
cameras out
nothing
there.
wrong with the tag is visible and properly mounted. Have a nice day.
You just admitted
Call
you were
state trooper up here.
You can call a state trooper if you want.
Call a marshal up here.
You can call a marshal if you want. I don't care. Right
Well,
now, we're in
fine.
the city of Norton.
What started as a quiet afternoon in Norton, Virginia, quickly turned into a heated legal battle in a parking lot. A police officer decided to follow, or as the driver claims, stalk, a couple, after receiving an anonymous tip about a driver allegedly switching license plates while moving at highway speeds. But as you're about to see, the officer's reasonable suspicion starts to fall apart the moment the driver begins quoting the law. Was this a legitimate investigation or a fishing expedition? Let's go back to the beginning.
Hey, I'll let you know you're being video audio recorded.
I don't care. You got a driver's license registration with you?
I
Why would I care since I've got a camera on if you were video and audio recording?
I'm just letting you know.
No law against it.
No, sir. What's the purpose of the stop?
Well, I got a complaint on you for one, and the second thing is you did have a radar detector mounted in the window before you took it off.
That's not illegal to have it in the parking lot.
It is illegal in Virginia to have a radar detector mounted to the window.
Not in the parking lot.
What's he wanting with me?
They don't currently have one on duty. They have to call one out.
So how come I'm getting complaints that you can change your tags from Tennessee to California while you're going down the road?
I can't do nothing like that.
Well, that's the complaint I got.
Well, that's a false complaint.
Okay. Any reason somebody would say
you
that?
You can't call in an anonymous call. That's just not right.
Well, that's the complaint I got.
Well, that's...
What's he doing looking in the vehicle anyways?
He can look anywhere he wants to.
He has to have a
No, he does not.
he has to have paper before he
Anything
goes
that's in
in.
plain view.
Is there anything
in
wrong with the
plain view.
vehicle now?
Well, I'll tell you in just a moment when I check your tags.
All right.
There is a problem when you have the means to switch your tag going down the road. Why would you do that?
I'm not.
You have a California tag
Did you see
underneath
me
it.
do it?
No, I did not.
Have a nice day.
Why do you have a means to do it on your vehicle?
There's nothing illegal about it. Done had checked out by state troopers.
It's illegal if you're changing it on the highway.
I didn't change it going down the
Well,
highway.
that was the complaint.
Where's
I
the
got.
proof?
How would I know?
Show me the proof.
How would I know?
That's exactly right. How would you know? You've got nothing. Have a nice day.
You have to show proof
You got that
that he did it on the
I got
highway.
video camera right there,
I know
and
you
we
got
can
a
go
video
as far
camera.
as you with this as you want to go.
I know you have video
There's
camera out
nothing
there.
wrong with the tag is visible and properly mounted. Have a nice day.
Why do you have a means to
No, I
switch
don't
it?
answer questions. Have a nice day.
Why have you got
Have a
such an
nice
attitude?
day. I'm not going to have an attitude when you pull me over for no reason. You stalk me in a parking lot up here and waited on me to come out of the store.
Yes, I did.
That is stalking.
No, that is
Yes,
not
sir, it
stalking.
is.
You just admitted
Call
that
the
you were
dispatch, get a state trooper up here.
Let's pause right here. The driver is calling out the officer for stalking him. In the eyes of the law, police are allowed to observe citizens in public spaces. However, for a traffic stop to be constitutional, the officer must have reasonable suspicion that a crime has been or is being committed. Acting solely on an anonymous tip without witnessing a violation yourself is a legal gray area that often gets cases thrown out of court. Notice how the officer keeps pivoting back to a radar detector. He's looking for any reason to justify his presence there.
Yes, sir, it is.
You just admitted
Call
that
the
you were
dispatch, get a state trooper up here.
You just admitted
Call
you were
state
stalking
trooper up here.
You
him.
can call a state trooper if you want.
Call a marshal up here.
You can call a marshal if you want. I don't care. Right
Well,
now, we're in
fine.
the city of Norton.
Well, that's fine.
Okay?
I have done nothing wrong.
I got a complaint that you're
Your
changing
complaint
tags.
is irrelevant.
Who filed
Your
a
complaint
complaint?
is irrelevant. Show me I got a right to face my accusers. Where they at?
Well, if they want to be here, I can get them here.
Get them here. I have done nothing wrong.
Okay.
Nothing wrong with my vehicle. It's perfectly legal. There's nothing in my dash, nothing wrong with my truck. It's a 2019, just bought it. Paid cash for it. And I have done nothing wrong.
Well, for some reason, somebody saw you switch that
Well, some
tag.
reason, that's their problem, not mine.
Okay. I can tell you, if you switch it and we catch you, we'll tow
That's
the vehicle.
fine. You could do that.
Okay.
You can do
So,
that. But
you
as
tell-
of right this moment, you've got nothing.
You answer me one question.
I'll answer
If
questions.
you didn't switch it,
I don't
how would
answer
somebody
questions.
know that that was a California
I
tag on
do
the back of
not
this vehicle?
have to answer your question.
So
Have a
you
nice day.
definitely
Who
had
filed
it
a
changed on the
complaint?
road.
Who
No.
filed a complaint?
How would
No,
I know to look?
he did not change
How
it.
would-
I'm
how
not
would I know to
here.
look? How would I know?
I'm
to
Why
not
look?
was he
here. I'm a
stalking me in the
witness.
parking lot?
Because I got a complaint. Don't
No,
you think
there's
it's
no
suspicious?
reason for stalking. You could have stopped me before I pulled out of the handicap zone.
No,
Okay?
I didn't have to.
You could have come to me without stalking me.
Yeah,
Yes, you
perfectly
could.
legal.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No,
it's not. I've got a
It's
damn charge in
illegal.
Virginia right now for stalking. Had to pay $2,500 to get out of it.
It's a little different.
And there's
for
a
us.
reason for my
No,
tag
it's
to be the
not
way it is.
different.
Okay, and what is that reason?
That's
You
none
got
of
a
your
legitimate
business.
reason,
That's
fine.
none of your damn
You
business.
can't
what it
legally
is.
change that
I'm done with this
Billy.
conversation. Have a nice day. I'm not answering no more of your questions. You want to get sergeant up here or lieutenant? That's fine.
I am the ranking officer.
Well, give me another ranking
There
officer.
is no ranking officer.
There's one above you. I guarantee you.
Not
Who pays
working.
your paycheck?
Billy, don't
working
get
today.
upset.
I'm getting mad. I want my stuff back, and I'm free to go.
But when I check and see if you can legally have a second tag on your vehicle, permanently mounted to
It's
your
not
vehicle,
Listen,
permanent. Is
he
it
has
visible?
not
No.
flipped
I'll
his
find out.
tag, sir. He has not flipped his tag.
Officer Long looked at this in Russell County. If you want to give him a call,
I just spoke to the state trooper.
he says
They're
fine.
as
Properly legal.
suspicious as I am, but they can't find anything right off the top of their head to charge you with.
Exactly. Have a nice day.
So,
Who was the
You cannot
person
act.
that called
hey,
in a complaint?
You look at your
I don't
Virginia
know.
state laws. You
But you
cannot
said
act.
that you-
Hush. You cannot act on anonymous call.
well, listen,
You cannot act on anonymous call.
I can act on a
sue
radar
you. I can
detector.
sue-
Listen
The
to
radar
me.
detector is not mounted
It's
on a public
reasonable
highway.
suspicion. A reasonable person would believe if it was mounted in the parking lot that when you entered the highway that it would still be mounted.
It
All
wasn't.
I have to stop you is reasonable suspicion.
Well,
So you're telling
not
me
probable
that
cause.
if I call in a
Probable cause
suspicion
is
and
for
stuff, that somebody has to go into
my
the
attorney
home
will be calling
too?
you guys Monday morning.
That's fine. Do what, honey?
So you're telling me if I call in a suspicious thing and
You
stuff,
can't
if I'm suspicious of somebody and stuff doing something in their home, that you have a right to go in their
No,
home?
I do not. Vehicle does not have the same.
Do you have a right to touch my vehicle without a search warrant? Y'all messing with my tag.
Y'all are free to go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Exactly, because
Have a good day.
I know the law too.
In a stunning admission of defeat, the officer finally realizes he has no legal ground to stand on. Even after calling for backup and checking with state troopers, they couldn't find a single charge that would stick. This video serves as a powerful reminder. Knowing your rights and remaining firm can be the difference between a false arrest and driving away free. But what do you think? Did the officer cross the line by waiting in the parking lot? Drop a comment below with your thoughts. If you want to see more citizens holding power to account, make sure to subscribe.